Welcome to my channel. Router keeps disconnecting? Here's why it happens and how to stop it. 2025 guide. 1. Restart your router. Turn off your router, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This clears temporary glitches. 2. Check all cables. Make sure the power cable, Ethernet cable, and WAN cable are properly plugged in and not damaged. 3. Move the router to an open area. Place your router in a central, elevated location away from walls, metal objects, and appliances. 4. Disconnect unnecessary devices. Too many connected devices can overload your network. Remove devices you don't use. 5. Update router firmware. Log into your router and install the latest firmware update to improve stability and security. 6. Change the Wi-Fi channel. Interference from nearby routers can cause drops. Switch to a less crowded channel in your router settings. 7. Switch between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. If 5 GHz disconnects often, try using 2.4 GHz for long-range stability, or vice versa. 8. Check for overheating. Ensure your router has ventilation. Clean dust and avoid covering it with anything. 9. Reset router to factory settings. If issues continue, perform a factory reset and reconfigure your Wi-Fi from scratch. 10. Contact your internet provider. If none of the above works, your ISP might be facing issues or your plan needs an upgrade. Thanks for watching.